It's a 2009 BMW 3 Series. Nothing short of remarkable. Every element evokes a distinct sense of luxury, intelligent engineering, and performance. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: auxiliary audio input, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, twin-turbo i6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com adds, beyond simply feeling rock solid when hustled around turns, this car communicates with the driver in a manner that inspires confidence no matter what kind of driving you're doing. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.